Hey, Flinto file fans! Today we're revealing 10 everyday items with hidden features you've probably missed. Get ready to have your mind blown. Grab your notebook or just get ready to upgrade your life, one everyday item at a time. Let's do this. Let's kick things off in the kitchen. Ever notice the hole at the end of your pot or pan handle? It's not just for hanging. Slide your stirring spoon through it, and it'll hover over the pot, keeping your counters clean and saving you from extra dishes. No more sauce puddles or frantic spoon searches, just pure kitchen genius. Next time you cook, use that handle hole and feel like a kitchen pro. Simple, smart, and a total game changer. Time for a hair hack. Most people use bobby pins with the wavy side up, but that's actually wrong. The wavy side should go down, gripping your hair for a firmer, longer-lasting hold. Flip your pin, and you'll need fewer pins and have fewer bad hair days. It's a tiny change with a big impact. Go forth and pin with confidence. Let's talk jeans. That tiny pocket inside the front pocket? It's not just for show. Originally, it was designed to hold a pocket watch back in the 1800s. Cowboys and workers needed a safe spot for their watches, and this pocket was the answer. Today, it's mostly a nod to denim history, but you can stash coins, lip balm, or a guitar pick in there. Next time you wear jeans, remember you're carrying a piece of history. Pretty cool, right? Got a pen nearby? Check the cap. See that tiny hole at the top? It's not just a random design, it's a safety feature to prevent suffocation if the cap is swallowed, especially by kids. That little hole can allow air to pass through in an emergency. It's a small detail that could save a life. Next time you see it, you'll know it's more than just a cap. And maybe don't chew on your pen caps. Backpack fans, ever notice that diamond-shaped patch with two slits? It's called a lash tab, and it's for attaching extra gear, like shoes, water bottles, or hiking poles, using straps or cords. It's a practical feature borrowed from outdoor gear, not just a style choice. Next time you pack, put that lash tab to work. Your backpack just got a lot more useful. Tic Tac lovers ever struggle to get just one mint out? The little indentation on the lid is actually a single Tic Tac dispenser. Flip the box upside down, let a mint fall into the lid, then open it. Voila, one perfect Tic Tac. No more mint avalanches. It's a clever design hiding in plain sight. Try it and thank us later. Here's the ketchup secret you've been waiting for. On Heinz glass bottles, look for the embossed 57 on the neck. Don't smack the bottom, tilt the bottle and tap the 57 spot for a smooth, controlled pour. It's the sweet spot Heinz designed for perfect ketchup flow. No more ketchup floods or droughts. Once you know, you can't unknow. Impress your friends with this trick. Mind blown. Ever heard the myth about toothpaste color strips meaning all natural or all chemical? It's not true. Those colored marks are just for manufacturing machines to know where to cut and seal the tube. They have nothing to do with ingredients. To know what's in your toothpaste, read the label. Myth busted, share the truth. Ever had your aluminum foil roll leap out of the box? Check the ends of the box for little perforated tabs labeled "Press here to hold roll." Push them in. They anchor the roll so it stays put while you pull and tear. No more wrestling with runaway foil. It's a tiny feature that saves big frustration. Go try it now. Enjoy the little victories. Ever forget which side your gas tank is on? Look at your car's fuel gauge. See the little gas pump icon? There's a tiny arrow next to it pointing to the side of your car with the fuel door. No more awkward gas station maneuvers. It's a simple, genius feature you'll use every time. Spread the word and save your friends from gas station embarrassment. That's 10 everyday items with secret features. How many did you know? Which hack surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing facts and life upgrades. Only on Flinto File. Stay curious.